So models, when we're developing the runway, it's really important to distinguish between the different styles of walks. We talked a little bit earlier about the way a carriage is positioned for a male. Now let's talk about the female for a moment, because it's very important that your hips are pushed forward. That's the one difference between female and male that really has to show up there. And the reason is because women do what's called a crossover, which we're going to demonstrate in a moment. Crossover, you have to stretch your legs one over the other and elongate the leg. So as you're moving through that, it causes the hip to have a natural hip movement that is very fluid, and it goes like a figure 8 almost. So let's demonstrate upon what that means. So instead of standing straight up and down, put that foot forward like this and push your hip in this direction. This is the alignment that you want. There's a direct line from your head all the way down. It's at a diagonal. Then the second thing that you need to be aware of in terms of your feet is when you do what's called a crossover. And that crossover is when you're crossing one leg over the other. So you're going to slightly go over. Now, there's different styles based upon what type of show you're doing. If you're just working on the foundation of that crossover, slightly get it so that as you pull your foot over the line, if I were to pull it straight back, my little pinky toes would align straight forward. So as you walk, you're in this diagonal. You feel the pressure in your small back. You're just going to walk one foot over the other. And it's the same motion in the foot. Heel, ball of the foot, grab with the toe. And that will keep your runway very smooth, and it'll elongate your feet. And as you do the hip movement, that figure 8, it just naturally goes from side to side.